Many Kansas mineral owners wish they knew more about their mineral rights. They get a royalty statement in the mail every month or periodically, and that's about the limit of their knowledge. So I'd like to take you through an interactive oil and gas map for Kansas and show you how to locate your mineral rights and the kinds of information that you can find on the map. You're going to need a little bit of information, so either get your royalty statement or the legal description. The legal description can be found in your oil and gas lease, or it can also be found in title documents. So if you have a mineral deed or an assignment, you can find the legal description there. And I'm going to walk through this with a couple of examples for you. In the first example, we're just going to use the royalty statement because that's what most mineral owners receive, a royalty statement every month or periodically, and it's the most accessible document. So up on this top navigation here, you can click on Go To, and this will bring up various options that you can use. So what we know is the well name, so we're going to click on that and type in Carey, and here you will sometimes see multiple units or wells or leases with a similar name. Like here you have the Carey 4 and you have the Carey Unit 4. And on our royalty statement it says Carey number 4. So the best way to really check for that is just to pick one of them. And when it brings up the details, you'll see that the current operator here is Vess Oil Corporation. And our royalty statement comes from Scout Energy Management. So this is probably not the right one. So let's look up. Now, I have to say that sometimes you're paid from a different company than the one that operates the well. So this isn't always the best method, but either way, there shouldn't be that many confusing ones. You should be able to figure it out. So we'll pick the other one this time. And sure enough, we see that the current operator matches the royalty statement. It's Scout Energy Management. So we can see some information here, and we can also see the other wells that are nearby. And here we go with the Carey Unit number 2. And then this one is going to be the Carey Unit number 3. We also see on other properties that there are some oil wells over here. If you're interested in what these different symbols mean, you can go over to the legend and it will tell you what each of these symbols means. So let's look at the legal description. In this example, the legal description is the west half of Section 11, Township 28, South, Range 34 West. So let's go up here and we'll pick the Township 28, South, and Range 34 West is already selected, and section number 11. And this will bring us right to that legal description. Now, on our deed here, we see that it's the west half. So that's actually going to be on this side over here, which is funny because the wells are actually on the other side. But very often with the gas well, you have a large area. So even if your ownership is maybe not directly under that well, you will still get royalties from that well. So let's go look at details here. We'll click on the Carey Unit 2. And up on the top here, you see what looks like a table. And if you click on that, you get access to a lot more information on this specific well. If you scroll down to the bottom, you'll see this well has been linked to a gas lease. You might also see an oil lease, or sometimes you see two different links, one for oil, one for gas. So in this case, we'll click on this, and here are the production numbers. So you can look and see how the production has declined over time, what it's been producing. You can also see that this particular well has changed hands multiple times. And if you want to see a graph, there's a prototype chart system that you can click on. And this will bring up a production graph. You can alter the dates and you can change it to a linear format. And you can see how this well has declined over time. I hope that walkthrough was helpful and that you'll be able to look up your Kansas mineral rights. If you have any problems, you can always contact us. It's really easy to look it up for us because we do it all the time, so we don't mind looking it up for you. If you're looking for an offer on your minerals, I'm happy to give you that as well.